Binance Exchange tutorial guide for newbies. So if you are a newbie on the Binance Exchange platform over here, there first of all you have to get friendly with the pro version and the light version of Binance. Currently I'm on the pro version, so if I go to the Binance profile from the top left and then I scroll down here, you can see Binance Lite. If you're a beginner, I would recommend that you stick to the light version. Now what is trading? Trading basically means buying and selling of cryptocurrency for a certain amount of profit and unintentional loss, right? So what happens is, if you want to trade, right over here you can see this little loop like arrow icon. When you tap on this icon at the bottom center, you can select whichever amount that you want to buy instead of cryptocurrency, whether you want to convert or whether you want to limit or whatever else it is that you prefer. If you come to the portfolio option here, you can add funds to your Binance account. You can withdraw funds or crypto or whatever else it is that you have. If you come to markets, you'll be able to see anything that is increasing or decreasing over time. As a result, if you come to the square option, you'll be able to see all the news regarding the cryptocurrency world. And this is what trading on Binance is all about. You buying of cryptocurrency and selling them for a certain amount of profit. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.